All right, guys, we're going to try Rustic Rimfire's Dinosaur challenge. Supposed to be with a budget rifle and budget ammo. I think you use CCI. Standard philosophy, you can use TAC 22. I'll try TAC 22, maybe. I don't know. Can't remember if I ever shot this in this gun or not. I know she's good with Lapua, and I think the SK. This is Hatsan Escort 22. They don't make it in the wooden stock anymore. I know you can get the. It's supposed to be budget rifle and budget ammo. You can still get these, but they come in a plastic stock right there. I just checked on my my phone right here. Buds has them like for 205 beans, I think. And it's got a Mueller 8x32 scope on it right here. So it's a second focal plane scope. Shooting down 50 yards right here. I might try doing this without putting a bipod on there. I think about propping it against my tote out and see if I can shoot. See my tote I got right there. So, yeah, see if I can shoot if I can do it that way. But shooting down 50 yards, and you got to do 2 shots, one in the head and one in the body. I don't know. I don't even know how it's going to shoot with this TAC 22. So I might have to do some. I don't think there's any sires on there. I have to shoot at something. Let me pause here. It's an Abrams spine scope. Alrighty, guys. There's what it looks like. They say 1 shot in the head, you're supposed to do 1 shot in there. I'm going to come down here. I'll be shooting a bunch of targets there. I kind of had an extra one of these targets set up here. I just want to see where this is even hitting at, so I'm going to kind of shoot for that bowling pin on the bottom there, off to the right-hand side. And this only has a 5-round magazine. Geez, I'm trying to get myself lined up here. Probably should put a bipod in here. Come on. I only have 4 rounds in here, TAC 22. So let's give myself a sorry because I have not shot this gun. I know where it's going to hit at. A little bit to the right. Now this does have like a thin pencil barrel. It does have a long barrel. I think it's like probably 22, 24 inches long. I don't know. It's a long barrel, but it's got like a flash hider on the front. Why you want one on a 22 rifle? I don't know. Let's go back. I got that one close enough right there. This is not a comfortable position to shoot at whatsoever, but we're going to go for it here. So we're going to zoom in here a little more because I won't be able to see these shots here probably. Going back over here. There we go. Go for the body first. Okay. Let's go for the head. What we got in there? This is a good shooting. I mean, like I say, a good shooting rifle, but it's got the pencil barrel. So, barrel gets too hot. You just start moving your shots. It's the only one magazine. My buddy Jim, you'll see him in the comments time there. He wanted this one right here. but he wasn't able to get the wooden stock version. We got the other synthetic stock version right there. But both of them have adjustable triggers. And this is, I mean, I ain't gonna say it's a Timmy trigger, but it's a pretty good trigger on this right here. So let's go for, geez. Let's go for the body. I mean, at that price, you can't really go wrong. This is basically a CZ452 clone. And a few of the other guys got these rivals too. I know Bobcat Forever's got one. He's having problems with, pretty sure he got that body, because you can't tell exactly in there. But he's having problems with his firing pin. You see, oh. I'm trying to think, he's got, I know a couple of the guys got it. Sure, got that in the head, I think. Okay. So I want to go for that bonus one right now. Is that 1 or 2 shots? Yeah, we'll try one in the head. I think I got a little bit of the body. I can go back up for the head then. If you have to do 2 on it, I don't know. Nope, drop down there low again. Jeez. Good thing my barrel's starting to heat up just a little bit now. And, I kind of went up a click there. Let's go for that pterodactyl there. Way down low there. Go up another click. Oop, we got to load up. I think the last time I shot this was probably last Halloween, maybe. I remember doing Country Rimfire's candy corn challenge right there. Did pretty good with it. I think I was using Lapua. Where am I shooting at? Okay, you go head to that pterodactyl. That's right. I think I got the head, I think. Okay. Let's go for the Tyrannosaurus Rex here on the left. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I had a shell casing stick on me. I don't want to come out. Not sure if I had that happen in this rifle or not before. Okay, one to the body. Okay, that pterodactyl there in the middle. Let's try one in the head. Okay, got him. Head there, now the body. Okay, then we got this big boy over here. Oop. I don't know how many I need. 1, 2. Do I have bonuses here? Or I shoot at a bonus? You already shot the bonus. Okay, I just need 2 more shots there. Okay. Two more rounds here. Do one a body first. And one head. I think it's kind of head. Kind of head and neckish area, jaw. Yeah, right there. Ooh, this was awkward shooting. I couldn't put my rifle on top to handle the bag and kind of putting that between the handle and the main body of the bag. So let's see right there. I think we got head and body. Head and body of the pterodactyl. Let's see if I can zoom in here a little more so you guys see a little better right here. Got the head there and the body right there and the thigh right there. This pterodactyl, I think I got him in the head right there, like the back, the neck head part. But I missed a body shot, went down low. Oh, and then on this bonus, yeah, well, I hit just the body, so I hit on it. So, let's see. Got the body on that one. You see, got on his chest and right, like looks like right through maybe the eyeball, maybe, I don't know. This one right here, never got off the side. This head, got the head though, but got the side of it there. Looks like one right there in the middle of the body, I think. So I'm not gonna go down there and score them up right here. Just having out here fun right here. It's gonna be dark, getting dark on me here a little bit here, but that's a fun one. Yeah, TAC-22 didn't actually do too bad in this right here. I'd say it did real good with Lapua. So let's see. Yeah, not too bad. All right, guys, let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you next time.